Hey race fans, second Jelly Bean race of the 2022 Easter Candy Racing Challenge series. We're down 2 competitors. I ate a yellow and I ate an orange, but we got lots of orange and yellow and green and pink and red and purple and black and of course white. I'd like to eat a white one. Maybe we'll save that before the next race. In the meantime, let's race. Who's your pick? What color? Or if you're really good, which jelly bean do you think would win? You think that red one? Maybe the white one. Let's race. Let's see what happens. Lots going off the back to start. They just couldn't get spinning. I see lots of yellow on the track. Some black. Every color is represented right now. Who's your pick? How's your color doing? Orange, yellow, green, red, and white left. Oh, and one black. No, 2 black. Oh, 1 black off the hard way.
So we do have a couple that are stuck up here. We're going to count those as not in the race, unless they hop back on.
There's a little bit, the track's not really built for jelly beans, so there is a dead spot there. We got 4 left, doing pretty good. White, yellow, green, and red, and yellow's off the back. He couldn't handle the roll. Green went to the back edge, and he's hopping his way back. And there goes green, he's out of here. Red's rolling pretty smoothly. Nope, he was. I spoke and he stopped rolling. Maybe we can zoom in on them. This is tough because they move so quickly. Ooh, Red took a big bounce off the headboard there. Yellow's losing grip. Yellow's just sliding back and yellow's out. Hop along, red takes it. How was that camera work? Red jelly bean for the win.